Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how to remove a password from PDF file in 2026 safely and legally. This is useful when you have permission to edit the file and want easier access without entering the password every single time. Important note, only remove passwords from PDFs you own or are authorized to modify. So let's get started. Go to ilovepdf.com, right? Insert for unlock underscore PDF, right? ilovepdf.com/unlock underscore PDF, right? You can see the website here. Select your PDF file, right? Let's say I'm using this one today, okay? And then what you're gonna do, just hit unlock PDF, right? Right? And as you can see, the PDF file have been unlocked, right? And all I gotta do now is just download the file. You can also use Adobe Acrobat, right? This is the best and most professional method. Launch Adobe Acrobat Pro, click File, Open, select your password protected PDF, enter the password when prompted. If you don't know the password, you cannot remove it using this method, okay? Once the file is open, click File and then Properties, go to Security tab and find Security Method and remove the password. Change the security method to No Security, enter the password again to confirm and click OK, right? And save the unlocked PDF. Click File, Save As, choose a new file name, save. Your new PDF will now open without a password. You can also remove password using Google Chrome, right? Open PDF in Chrome, right? This works when you know the password and the PDF allows printing, okay? And use print to PDF. Press Control P or CMD plus P, right? On Mac, hit Printer, right? Or you're gonna find in Printer, and then select Save as PDF or the destination now, okay? And then click Save. All right. Now you're gonna be able to open the new file. The newly saved PDF usually has no password. Free may fail if printing is restricted. Quality may slightly change. Okay. So you can also remove password using Microsoft Edge, right? Very similar to Chrome, right? Open PDF in Microsoft Edge. Enter password, press Control P or CMD plus P, choose Save as PDF, and save the new file. Done. You can also use Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is limited. The free Reader version cannot directly remove passwords, but you can try the print workaround if allowed. Method 5, you can use online PDF unlockers, right? Like I Love PDF, like the one we just did, right? But what if you forgot the PDF password? Be realistic. If the PDF uses strong encryption and you don't know the password and you don't have the permission, there is no guaranteed legal way to remove it, right? In such cases, ask the sender for the password, request an unlocked version, or request permission to reset, okay? Here's the common problems and fixes. Permission password versus open password. Two types exist. Open password, meaning required to open file, must be known to remove. Permission password restricts editing or printing. Chrome print trick often works in this case. Print option disabled. Fix it by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Check document permissions. Ask sender to enable printing. File still asks for password after saving, right? Fix that by ensuring you saved a new copy. Verify security method, meaning security method is no security. And then reopen the new file. Always keep the original file. Use Acrobat Pro for legal documents as a pro tip. Avoid random unlocked websites. Respect document permissions. Rename unlocked files clearly. Store sensitive PDFs securely. If you want a quick beginner workflow, fastest and reliable method is to open ilovepdf.com/unlock_PDF. and then upload your file or drag your PDF and save new or click unlock PDF like we just did a couple minutes ago and save it as a new file, okay, or download the unlocked PDF. Right, done in under 60 seconds. So removing a password from a PDF in 2026 is simple when you have authorization in the correct password. The safest method is always using Adobe Acrobat Pro, while the browser print trick works well for quick free solutions, but may harm basically the quality of your content. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. Consider liking this video, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. We're gonna talk about next pixelbin.io, free AI headshot generator for professionals. So if you are interested in that, just stay tuned for the upcoming video. See you.